Welcome back to our channel. I'm Julia, sales staff of Gruda Hair Vietnam. As you know, web hair is the most popular of hair extensions. They are favored by many customers all over the world because of their convenience. Besides, web hair also has some disadvantages. And today in this video, I will bring you some pros and cons of web hair for you to have more understanding before deciding to buy.
First, let's find out the benefits of web hair. The top benefit of web hair is their convenience in use. It will not take you too long to wear them once it has been sealed into wig. In particular, you can wear them yourself without the help of professional stylists like other hair extensions. This is really suitable for busy women who still want to have beautiful hair. The next benefit is that the cost of web hair is very affordable and you can easily buy them anywhere. Web hair is so very popular in markets, stores, and on e-commerce sites with a lot of choices. Every woman can own beautiful hair at a very reasonable price. Therefore, anyone can become more beautiful and confident. In addition, web hair can be reused many times, so they save a lot of money. If you know how to use and maintain it properly, the life of web hair can last for 2 to 3 years. What you need to pay special attention to is how to properly care for your hair so that it can stay as beautiful as when you bought it. They also have a video on this topic. You can check it out on Gruda Hair channel. Although there are many benefits, web hair will still have some limitations. Let's find out. First, the wig can make you uncomfortable when you wear it. It can make you hot, stuffy, or sometimes a headache. Secondly, in order to prolong the life of web hair, you need to clean them regularly and take care of them properly. When used for a while, the hair will get dirty and cause dryness and tangles. It is very important to clean them, remove dust, sweat, and provide extra nutrients to the hair so that the hair is always beautiful and ready for the next use. Because web hair is popularly sold, anyone can easily get it anywhere, so this is also an opportunity for scammers. Currently, there are many hair suppliers everywhere. Besides the reputable ones, there are also scammers. So you need to be very careful in finding out the suppliers to choose a reputable company with a reasonable price.
Above, I have provided you some knowledge about pros and cons of web hair. I hope with this information, you will have experience to own a nice hair, then become more beautiful and confident in life. If you find this content is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos. Bye!